Hello sir, good evening po. So ito po ang aking final semester project para po sa ating course which is ang Advanced Programming. Ang topic po na napili ko ay isang simple hotel management system kung saan pwede po tayong maka-access ng offer rooms, data packages, and also food. And also naglagay din po tayo ng isang simpleng reservation form para po sa ating mga guests. So let's start. Here, the first part, we have the stocks po ng ating room, data packages, availability, and food po. And also their item prices. So, here in Hotel Desk, it shows the reservation form, the rooms, the data package offers, foods, and exit when hindi na po natin kailangan. And sa rooms, it the list available room types and prices, same as the print data packages and foods. It prints all the available things and also their prices. Here in collect reservation info, it collects the reservation details from the guests along with their guest name, the phone number, the address, the number of adults, kids, and also the arrival date and time. Here in stock po, updates the stock from the rooms, data packages, availability, and food based on the guest selection and quantity requested. And it ensures the stock availability before proceeding to check-outing. And also, meron din po tayong payment, the calculate total. It's calculate the total price po for an item based on the price and quantity. And then, here po, meron din po tayong main function po na get price and name. It retrieves the price and name of the selected room, data packages, and foods po based the user's choices. And syempre naglagay din po tayo ng konting import na random promotion. Yan, it displays a random promotion po, random message po from a predefined promotion sentence. Yan. And here po sa collect feedback, syempre para po mas maganda yung ating transaction, naglagay din po tayo ng simple feedback po sa ating mga guests na meron din po tayong ratings po and additional comments po na pwede po nilang ilagay. And dito po sa ating main function, ayan, and the main function of the program manage the flow of the user interaction. It displays the main menu. Syempre po, hinahandles niya rin po yung mga natin, mga information po galing po sa guest. So, let's start na po. So, in the first part po, syempre, magdi-display po diyan yung simple welcome message po para po sa ating guest or client. So, here's the main menu. So, let's start. One, we need to proceed to reservation form. Please enter your name. And then the phone number. And then the address. The number of adults, for example, 10. And the kids is 5. And then the arrival date, syempre, 1/12/2024. And then the arrival time is 8 p.m. a.m. And then yan, magpiprint na po dito ang ating reservation details along with the random today's promotion po. And then, as the program will ask you to, do you want to continue browsing the main menu? Yes. And then, I like to choose the rooms. So, pipili po tayo. So, dito po sa rooms, we have 4 types of rooms. Then, let me choose number 2. The quantity, 1. Do you want to still continue to choose, ma'am? Yes. So, let's go naman po sa ating day tour packages offer. And then dito po, we have 4 types po na pwede po natin i-provide sa ating mga client. And I will choose number 3. Yan. And do you want to continue to choose, ma'am, sir? Yes. Punta po tayo sa foods. So, dito po naman po sa foods, meron din po tayong 4 na pwedeng pagpilian. So, yan, the spaghetti chicken fries, the sangyup and wings. So, I will choose number 1. So, isa lang. And then, do you want to continue? No. So, let's proceed na po sa ating payment. Our current total is 8,097. So, for example, we have the 19,000 here. And then, magpiprint na po dito ang ating change, which is the 903 pesos. And also, ang ating receipt na kanina sa ating reservation form along with our reserve packages. The room, the packages, and the food. Yan. So, if there's no other guests, we will say no. And then, yung program po natin is kukuha po siya ng atin na rate experience. So, we're going to have 5. And then, comment. So, affordable. And then, andiyan na po, magpiprint na po yung ating, yan. So, ating last. So, the rate experience and also the thank you message po para po sa ating guest. So, yun lang po ang aking code po, sir, ngayon. Thank you po.